Well, I can say that because we are licensed, insured, and then on the screening that we go through, the process of hiring the maids, having that, knowing that you're gonna be, your house is safe with that, and
Yeah, no, I agree with that. All of what you said. The other part that I would add to it versus if you did it yourself is sort of like, remember when we were doing the orientation, on a scale of 1 to 10, I remember Frank asking, where do you think your house is? On a 10, immaculate, does not need to be cleaned, or 1, blow it up. And a lot of people with their own homes are sort of jaded a little bit and they think, oh yes, it's clean. And they say it's an 8. Well, after the maids get through the house, then you go, wow, that's a 10, because it's nowhere near where you really thought it was at. So once they're trained, the products that we use, as well as 2 of them being able to, or 3 being able to clean the house, it gets done so much better, much more attention to detail than you would yourself.
right, and have that freedom, that homeowner to go and enjoy life and don't worry about cleaning and that.
So hire us. Enjoy Houston. Have more time. Let us clean your home.
You got me.